I'm now with Richard Huntley on the West Berkshire Classic Vehicle Club. Good afternoon, Richard, and welcome to the Classic and Restoration Show 2018.
Thank you very much.
And can we just first of all talk a little bit about the car that you're going to sprint and hill climb?
Yeah, okay, so me and my good friend Steve, we bought this about a year ago. We've been into classic cars between us for quite a number of years, generally just kind of road cars, but we decided it was a chance to maybe do something a little bit more sporting. So we spotted it on a well-known auction site, and
mention no names.
Mention no names. So managed to win it, surprisingly to us. So now the task starts to try and kind of finish it and get it ready and hopefully competitive.
Yeah. And what about the trailer? Did that come with it, or?
No, we were donated it from a friend of ours. It's an old caravan chassis, so we decided we'd try and build a suitable short trailer. I mean, most modern trailers probably over-spec'd and oversized for a car this size. So we've got this chassis from a caravan. We've got a period van as well to tow it with. So hoping to kind of build something that sort of all works together, hopefully.
Well, on the website it mentioned all three. You know, that was the big thing about it.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah. So yeah, the intention is, so we've got our 1970s J4 van. The intention is to get everything ready and painted and kind of all kind of in colour and keeping kind of thing. So hopefully then we can take the whole thing to shows and to events, and it'll be a bit of a draw for people as well, a bit more interesting. So yeah.
And when do you this is the £1 million question now, isn't it? When do you think you will have it ready?
We're hoping for next year. I think that's going to be quite a tall order, but we think with the right kind of focus on it, we could probably be ready for next year. Is the intention. Yeah.
And it'll be eligible Austin 750 Motor Club, something like that?
Yeah, 750 Motor Club. We might not be vintage sports car club compatible because of some of the mods we might do on it. So there's a thing called the Burt Hadley, which the Austin 7 Club run.
That's right.
That's all mainly sprints and hill climbs, and that probably feels the right kind of level. We're not really in for track circuit racing, I don't think. So maybe in a few years' time we'll see how we get on. So neither of us have driven competitively as well, so we've got to learn the ropes a little bit and see how we go.
But there's a lot of guys in the 750 Motor Club, in that Austin 7 series, that got loads and loads of information for you. I mean, you can go to them straight away, can't you? Get all the information you want.
Oh, definitely. We've already been to a couple of events, met some people with similar cars. They've been really helpful, really informative, either helping us directly or just directing us to people in the club, you know, spares people, that kind of stuff. So it's a real community, actually, really supportive. So yeah, it's very excellent. Yeah.
Well, I hope it all goes well, and I hope I get to maybe film it on a track. Well, not a track, on a hill climb or a sprint.
Hopefully. We hope so too. Yeah, it would be good if we can get it ready. So yeah, keep an eye on things. We'll hopefully get it fixed soon. Okay.
Well, good luck for the future, Richard.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. Cheers.
Thank you.